Long story short, get hacked by Blum, play the drop game. It takes you about a day to farm 50 to 57 tokens, but with each session of playing the drop game, you're gonna average about minimum 100 Blum tokens per session, which you can do one after the other consecutively in less than a minute. So that's 100 upon 100 upon 100 of the Blum tokens, growing your account. It went from less than 10,000 Blum tokens to over 32,000 Blum tokens playing the drop game. That didn't come from simply farming. So you want to utilize the drop game played continuously if you want to grow your Blum count. Now let's shift over into crypto. Shift over into Bitcoin analysis, where we're at here. Here with the Bitcoin chart. I knew that Bitcoin was going to drop a week or two ago, based on the way the market was poised. Technical analysis. It was basically setting up for a drop, a bearish move. But we had support and resistance, and based on that support and resistance, knew that it was going to drop. It would hit a certain level of previous support, which was a high level support, a strong support, to be able to hold, to bounce off of that support, which it did, bounced up, retraced up to, let's see, the 58,000 level, and then of course hitting some resistance will go down again, which it did, creating this W pattern. Now we're going to see with this pattern it's creating on the chart, if you look on the 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin, if this is going to continue to go up, it's going to go past the Ikimoku cloud, creating a greenish formation, a greenish flag cloud, and continue to go up and break past previous highs, or it's going to create this bearish flag and continue to go down after hitting another lower high in order to create lower lows, you see. So we're right here in a point where we're seeing what Bitcoin is doing, what the rest of the market is, follows Bitcoin, what the rest of the market is going to do. But we're at some consolidation level with Bitcoin, and we see this is a perfect move on the day chart. It's a perfect move seeing Bitcoin. You see, when you're trading crypto, you're trading all types of currencies, you want to look on the larger time frame. You need to plan accordingly where you're going to make a long-term move, and that is where you make the most amount of money. So if you're looking at the daily time frame for Bitcoin, if we're able to have sold at the top, a little bit up past 70,000, looking at it breaking the trend line, breaking the trend line. Once it breaks the trend line, we have a sheer drop down, and that was a great opportunity to sell and make good money. So looking here, either Bitcoin's on the longer time frame, Bitcoin's going to continue to go down, or we're going to see it bounce back up to its previous high. Alright, so stay tuned for future videos on this, all things related to finance and crypto business. This is the Rich Gypsy. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.